So till now I was kind of full-time caregiver of my mother, before her of my father, and now for myself and my wife. Okay, so I used to give food to the birds because my mom asked in the hospitals that, do you give food to the birds? And I said no, because I couldn't manage time. Giving food to the bird is not a piece of pancake. It requires the time, okay? And there are also some plants, so I had to take care of those. But now it's not possible likewise, but still I will try to do whenever I get chance to serve every creation of Allah who are Mu'mins and Muslims. Obviously I will not give water to the zarqat tree, but definitely I will help every Mu'mins and Muslims, inshallah, and myself too, as far as I am alive. Okay, I will try to, and I will always pray. Okay, so I have brought a water jar for watering them, because in the rooftop it's not possible to get water. Because the birds love the fresh water. I have tasted. There was water, but that was unclean. They made it, but every day they love fresh water. And at that time I used to pray for my mother and everyone. আম্মার জন্য দোয়া করেন, ঠিক আছে? কিন্তু আম্মা নাই, আগে তো সবার জন্য বলতাম, তো আম্মার জন্য দোয়া করে না কিন্তু। So bird needs not only just food, they need good water, okay? Because if the lakes and rivers dries up, how come they would get water? And if we keep a water bucket here, it won't contaminate any disease, because every time they are drinking it, and if there are any mosquitoes, they love it. They will eat the insects too, okay? So if you keep birds helping, they will help you in different ways, okay? So the birds, they will eat the insects, mosquitoes and other bacteria, they love to eat those. So breed birds and make yourself healthy, okay? Thank you.